Enjoy the view of this 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This versatile, safety-minded Atlas delivers the features your family needs. From three-row seating to spacious cargo capacity and must-have connectivity, this hardworking crossover rises to the challenge with ease. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, third-row seat, aluminum wheels, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. This well-designed Atlas is solidly capable yet connected and comfortable. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.